We are pleased to show you the 2007 Solstice. The Solstice is a high-performance ride wrapped up in a daring head-turning design. Enjoy the Solstice's unique combination of powerful turbo roadster and incredible 28 miles per gallon fuel efficiency. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power steering, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, AM/FM stereo radio, rear defrost, fog lamps, bucket seats, passenger airbag. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.